Generational impact.
Empowering.
Transformation.
Hope.
Life-changing.
Leverage knowledge.
Transformational.
One word, I would say joy.
This year, BD is partnering with Heart to Heart for an upcoming volunteer service trip, or VST, which is bringing associates with various skills together.
BD's mission was to really elevate our employee engagement programs to include volunteerism, but something a little bit more unique that I think BD is a leader in the volunteerism space, but focused on expertise and skills-based volunteering.
From finance to HR to marketing to communications to all the clinical roles. If we can identify an opportunity to match those skill sets with a need, why not?
Heart to Heart International has been a close collaborator with BD for many VSTs. This year, the groups will travel to ESwatini and work on several projects.
BD has been a close partner with Heart to Heart since 1993.
We're always working to improve health by taking care of the local provider and teaching them.
We've been working on Heart to Heart and BD coming to ESwatini, a 19-room clinic being built in Malanzella, the most remote of all the 20 clinics. And it's going from a 3-room, tiny little clinic to a 19-room clinic. And it's going to have a delivery room in it so women can come and have help with delivering their babies. It's going to be an amazing front line of care in this country.
The need was huge to find a way to get them housing where nurses could actually stay and the community could be served in more of a regular clinic Monday to Friday, and if not, even 24/7. With emergency care, because the nurses would be living right in the community and on the clinic compound.
They added on another project that there's a dental facility that they're going to be doing a new addition. So instead of having 2 rooms to service their clients, they're now going to have 3. So just really impactful stuff that's just going to make a difference in the lives of those communities for sure.
In 2022, the group sent 1 BD associate to ESwatini to begin training nurses.
An important part of the project with BD this time is the training of nurses. There is a large hospital, Raleigh-Fickin Memorial Hospital there, and then there are also 20 clinics scattered all over the country. Each week, a group of nurses from the hospital and a group of nurses from the clinics will go through a week-long training session, and then the following week, the whole thing is repeated with another group from the hospital and the clinics.
We're really going to be on the ground with a full team of nurses, and we're not only training clinic nurses, we're training hospital nurses as well. So we have, for the clinic nurses, we have 8 modules.
And this work will expand during the 2023 VST.
When I left ESwatini the last day, I left part of my heart in ESwatini.